Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to register for Aakruti 2022 competition. So before I begin, I will give you the brief introduction of Aakruti 2022. So let's begin. It started on 10 June 2022. It is for engineering students who have not yet graduated. So in this competition, you have to make a 3D model based on the themes which are given here. So I will introduce these themes to you. First theme is the good health and well-being. In this, you have to design something related to healthcare product for doctors, physicians, patients, common citizens, anyone. The second theme is affordable clean energy. So you have to make something related to energy, anything like solar plant or windmill, anything. The third theme is sustainable cities. So in this theme you have to design something related to public transport, waste management, all these things which are used in city. Okay, so it should be focused on lower income groups. Okay, so the fourth theme is responsible consumption and production. In this you can make anything related to production machines which are eco-friendly, anything like that. So it is for universal citizens. The fifth theme is life below water. In this you can design something related to fish, related to oceans like plastic uh, collector of ocean, anything like that. Okay, so these are the five themes. Now come to the price. The cash price is 3 lakhs. Everyone will get SolidWorks CSWA and CSWP vouchers and 1 year free subscription of SolidWorks, and you can also get good job opportunities at the Salt System India. Okay, so these are all the criterias. So before registering you have to make a 3D experience ID, so I will show you how to make it. So click on this link. I have already created the ID, that's why it is showing login, but for you it will be like this. So here you have to enter your email ID, your username, your first name, last name, password. So for password there are certain criterias, should not be all these criterias. Then you have to select the country, India. Agree, you don't have to agree this one, and then click on register. Okay, so after you will register you will get a mail of your email ID and all these things. You will also get the link. Okay, so after creating 3D experience ID you can click on register. So this process is for team leaders. Okay, and all team members should have their 3D experience ID, and remember the user means the email ID which you have added in that. Okay, so then click on create your means if you have created your 3D ID, then click on agree. Next, first name, last name, birth date, everything, team name is important, and then click on this. Please upload the Excel file. So the Excel file will open like this. Here you have to download it. Now here read these instructions. Okay, new group team name. So team name is college name Guru Ghasidas, city country. User role should be team member for team members and one team leader. So team leader will add team leader and members according to them. So this is important. Add email address used for creating 3D experience ID. This is very important. So make sure you had the means accurate email ID. Country. You also have add theme, year of college, first year, second year, third year, and state. Okay. So I hope you guys will register as soon as possible. Last date is 15 July. Make register before that. Okay. So thank you for watching.